What are you doing? It's driving me crazy right now. Like, oh my god. Back to my channel. Welcome 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 back to my channel. Back to my channel. Yo. Why do I feel like my camera is always zoomed in on my face? But yo. Okay, so it's 9:55, right? It's not focusing. Anyways, it's 9:55. I gotta work at 11. I didn't even do my hair yet. I was sitting here editing a video for like an hour. It never took me that long, but the video was like kind of long. So we need to figure out how much to do my hair. For you who wanted this natural hair video, here you have it, because I don't know what to do with my hair. So we're gonna put some clothes on and go figure that out right mother now. But yeah, this is that natural hair video. I'm styling my natural hair. This is it, blow dry and straighten. I'm gonna show y'all the ponytail when I take it out the thing, because how is that even straightened? Like, but and next week I'm gonna get my hair actually straightened by, you know, like the people, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I can see how long it is, get a little trim. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, okay, y'all. But we gotta get ready for work, because we I have a feeling I'm gonna be late today, but what they gonna do? Fire me? No. The thing. Oh, y'all, look at my nails. Nobody true, stop freaking playing. Like, I mean, they're kind of like growing out, but still, like, nobody true, stop freaking playing. Like, oh, bro, I gotta get ready. I gotta get ready. I'm still sitting here because I don't want to get up. Like, and then I'm scheduled for morning shifts all freaking week. I'm gonna beat somebody up. I'm just playing. I'm not gonna beat anybody up. I don't think I'm gonna beat somebody up, but like, come on, let's go. Like, you can clickety clack. I love the clickety clack. Like, come on, let's go clickety clack. Like, come on, clickety clack. Like, why do you still stand down? Clickety clack. Like, come on, what are you doing? What are you doing? All right, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna get up. All right, I'm gonna get up. All right, y'all. So we in the studio, bro. No fucking way. I really want to cry though, but it's not gonna come out because I don't cry over this shit. I mean stuff. So we gotta take the rubber band out for a while. How are we doing my hair? I'm gonna curl my pony though, I think. We're just gonna do another pony. Yo, this is why I don't use rubber bands, but it's bro. Yo. And I don't want to cut them because I need them and I don't have more. Oh. Yo. Like, yo, what are you doing? Like, anyways, we need these. This feels so good though, y'all. We gonna do a part down the middle. Part down the middle ponytail, you feel me? And it depends on how big. Nope, change my mind. Look, I changed my mind already. And I ain't even do the style yet. Or my mom did my hair for school a long time ago. And bro, the way she used to put my hair in a ponytail used to fucking drive me insane. Yo, we have to do our hair some type of way, bro. But we're gonna curl a pony, so it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Just, it's fine. It's fine. I like how this small comb can go through my hair. Like, it feels so good on my scalp. I need to stop playing. I ain't got time to be sitting here trying to perfect it. Try not to swoop them into the ponytail. Okay. We're gonna do this part. Oh, this is the one for the ponytail. You see that? Yeah. This ain't the one for the wig. My head, I have a weird shaped head. My head is too, like, it's shaped so weird. Like, it's shaped so weird though. You did not. Should I do a ball? No, I hate balls. Balls make my hair look so weird. Yo! Yo! God, let's do the edges, bro. I just have to do the edges. Edges gonna make it look way better. I for sure feel like the edges are gonna make it look way better. We just have to do them, okay? Okay. See, I knew it. This is why I don't do these type of ponytails. Because why are you acting like that? Hey, driving me crazy right now. Like, oh my god. Okay, so the wand is getting hot. We have to do my edges and make the hair flat. So we're gonna do my edges and we're gonna wrap it up. Line it up. Line it up. You feel me? Y'all heard her. I never know how to do my edges, y'all. I just want y'all to know that. Oh. I didn't know I was gonna be hungry. And they're probably like, how you know you was gonna be hungry? Because I'm not usually hungry during the morning, like. Like, what is this? What even is this? Yo. Like, what? I be trying to cut my hair, y'all. I swear I do, but it don't be working out for me. I'm going to cut this freaking hair so bad, bro. I'm gonna just have to go like this because that's fine. Okay, so now let's take care of the flyaways. Yo, what even is this, bro?